Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة الأنعام ومن الأنعام حمولة وفرشا كلوا مما رزقكم الله ولا تتبعوا خطوات الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين. Translation: And of the cattle are some to carry burden and some to be slaughtered for meat. Eat of what Allah provided for you and do not follow the footsteps of Shaitan, devil. Indeed, he is clearly an open enemy to you. In the previous ayah, we studied that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created so many different types of plantations. He has created big trees like date palm tree that is strong and tall, and he has created some of the shrubs and herbs and some of the plants that need support to grow like the plant of the grapes. And he has created some plants that grow and spread on the surface of the earth, and they all produce different types of fruits and vegetables that have different benefits for humankind. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made these things halal, and the devils put the thoughts in the human beings to make these things haram on themselves, and they do that just to get the sin of this world, and they get the punishment of hereafter. In today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning about the animal kingdom, that in animals Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made some animals that are very big, and they are used to ride, and they are used for transportation, and they are used to carry goods from one place to another. And on the other hand, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made some of the smaller animals like goats and sheep that are not used to be ridden, and they are not used for the carrying of goods, but they are used for the meat and other benefits. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created these animals for the benefits of humankind, and humans should not make those things haram on themselves without any proof from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, just by the thoughts of the devils and their own imagination. They should not be making these halal tayyib things haram on themselves, because the shaitan, the devil, is the open enemy. And the big example here in this ayah, that the enemy wants to keep the humans away from the benefits of these animals in this life, and in the hereafter it will result in a bigger loss, which will be the punishment by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because they created new things in their deen. Even in today's life, we see that some of the people slaughter animals at the graves and as different nazar and nayaz, and these are all things that are created by humans because of the thoughts of the devils. So let's pray Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Oh Allah, make us our rizq plentiful for us, and make us use all the bounties and benefits that you have provided us. Oh Allah, save us from all the devils and all the thoughts of the devils. Save us from the devils, from jinn kind, and save us from the devils, from the mankind. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum.